Never used 5 Axis Gantry Machining Center for sale. Direct from the owner, we can develop a nice and never used 5 Axis Gantry Machining Center for sale. Main specifications: Maker, NAMSUN Machinery, year of manufacture, 2017, table size, width 3000 x length 30,000 mm, spindle speed, 15,000 revolutions per minute, head turning angle, A-axis, plus or minus 110 degrees. C-axis, plus or minus 360 degrees. Head division precision angle, 0.001 degrees. ATC quantity, 120 tools. This is a model for optimal machining of large workpieces developed by NAMSUN Machinery Research Institute using the latest technology. This nice machine has successfully completed all performance tests and ready for delivery. Especially, the direct driving method using a torque motor eliminates precision problems caused by wear over time, and by installing encoders on the torque motor side of the A and C axes, the actual turning angle can be accurately controlled. If you are interested, please feel free to contact us kts0077799@gmail.com.